sa Makima! Hello, this time, this is the second time. This time, meron tayong again bike check. And this bike check is not just an ordinary bike. Again, this is an E-MTB. So it's an electric mountain bike. And specifically, this is a specialized LEVO FSR. At available to, hindi na pala available na, ano? Bali, nakaraan nakikita ko, nabili na siya kay RockShox, ano? So, yun, nabili na siya kay RockShox. So, ipipresenta na natin sa inyo kung ano yung meron dito. At syempre, jackpot siguro yung nakabili nito at murang-mura kaya na to, no? Kay RockShox. So, let's talk something about the specialized LEVO FSR. It says on my research, ano daw siya? It is a pedal assist bike with 250 watt nominal power. No bottom bracket.
We have the motor, there's 250 watt nominal, low bottom bracket, short chainstay, roomy top tubes. We spent a lot of time working on the battery integration. The motor has a belt on the inside that separates the vibration from the electric motor to the crankset, so you don't feel those vibrations in your feet. We integrated the speed sensor directly into the bike. We decided to put the trail display directly in the battery. Here you're in turbo, hit minus, you're in trail, hit minus, you're in ecom.
Short chainstay, roomy top tubes with battery integration. The motor has belt inside that's separated from the electric motor to the crankside, so you don't feel those vibrations on your feet. Oh, ganun pala, no? So, yun nga yun, nabasa ko lang. So, the more energy you give, the more energy it gives right back to you, no? The more, so you can cover more trails and more fun. The power to ride more trails. So, ganun pala yun, no? So, siguro mga hindi mo maahon mo na kapag naka E-MTB ka. At yun nga, yung power na binibigay mo, medyo double, triple, or somewhat ilang times kanyang pwede niya pang gawin. So again, let's start from its frame. And from its frame, it's a specialized MS aluminum alloy with forged and brace motor mount and a gloss monster green with black accents. So yun nga, with size, specific size dito is medium. With the nominal motor's nominal output is 250 watts. And the motor's peak output is 530 watts. At meron siyang rear shocks na Fox float. So, yun yung kanyang So, yun yung kanyang motors. And the other possible angles na pwede pang makita para at least, no? Hindi man tayo magkaganyan. Nakakita man lang tayo kahit sa video man lang, ano? Next would be the fork. For the fork, it has a RockShox Yari RC. 140 millimeters of travel and a tapered steerer tube and a 15 millimeters by 110 Maxle ultimate Thru-Axle. So pala yun, ano, yung kanyang fork, isang malupit na fork. Tayo sa kanyang cockpit. For its cockpit, it has a specialized batted 6,000 alloy, aluminum alloy with SRAM guide brakes at saka naka-dropper post siya, no? And yun nga, alam ko yung saddle niya is yun nga, yung stock saddle pa. Next would be the drivetrain. So for the drivetrain, sa kanyang crack is a custom Praxis steel with 32 teeth chainring and SRAM GX na RD. At yun nga, nabagit ko kanina yung kanyang motor, which is 250 watts of nominal power and 530 watts of peak output power. Next tayo sa kanyang tires and rims. For its tires and rim, it has a specialized 6 fatty Purgatory control sa front and a specialized 6 fatty ground control sa rear, which is 27.5 by 3. And for the rotors and calipers, it has a SRAM GX na hydraulic brakes. At ayun na, tignan nyo na lang yung rotors ng anong size. Quad piston pala to, no? So ayun, naka-quad piston tayo and rotors na malalaki. And lastly, sa kanyang hub, which is specialized na sealed cartridge bearings with the 28 holes. So, you know, kahit pa paano, nakakita tayo ng mga ng isang E-MTB from Specialized. Ano? Although it is a lower model, so may mga bagong model na lumabas ngayon, at least, no, nakalapit-lapit tayo. And again, this will be all for now, mga kasipat. Siyempre, sandali pala. Shoutout kay Kuya. Kuya, shoutout sa'yo, no? Yung nabigay sa akin ng jersey. Ang ganda ng jersey, oh. Kapadjak, medyo napaglitan niya daw to. Naka-medium ata siya ngayon kasi this is large na parang medyo maluwag na rin ata sa akin. This is from Zai Creative Designs. Ano, doon niya to binili. At medyo maluwag na raw sa kanya kaya binigay niya sa akin. So thank you sa'yo, Kuya. Ano? Alam mo na kung sino ka. Yan. Sa mga nagtiyatsaga, siyempre mas masarap ang sinigang. Ewan ko sa'yo ba't gusto nyo ng nilaga, no? Pero siyempre para sa akin mas malasa ang sinigang. Okay? And this will be all for now, mga kasipa, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye-bye!